Hi everyone, to the bone, this is Darcy, and today I'm going to talk about my June favorites. Everything I've been loving, from DIYs to skincare to eyelashes, everything I've loved on the month of June. And I also have a very important announcement, so if you want to hear more about it, keep on watching. But before we get to the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you like this video. I'm going to start with the announcements, but if you want to jump around, make sure to check the time code below and you can click and jump to any point of the video. So now to the announcements. First of all, I'm going to have a live stream this Sunday on my channel, and I'm going to start doing live streams every Sunday because I really want to get to know you guys better and be able to really reach my subscribers and answer your questions and talk to you and hang out with you guys because you guys are amazing. I also want to say thank you so much. I just reached 45,000 subscribers and I'm really honored and so happy to have this amazing community because every single one of you has been so wonderful, and I just don't even have words to say how much I appreciate you. And every time I post a video, you guys are so sweet. So I really appreciate you guys. So I'm going to start doing live stream videos so I can get to know you more and you guys can get to know me more as well. On another note, I'm going to rant a little bit, so if you want to jump around on the time code below. But I need to tell you guys this because it's something that has been happening a lot on my channel and I want to tell you what's going on. First of all, I have a YouTube channel since 2013. YouTube has changed a lot since 2013, but they just changed something recently as well. So now, even if you're subscribed or hit the notification, YouTube may or may not tell you I have a new video. I get a lot of emails from you guys, comment messages that I'm not been posting videos, what's happening. And I have been going through last year a lot of personal things, but since January, I have been posting weekly, sometimes multiple times a week. And there was only 1 week in June that I didn't because I hurt my back. I'm feeling better, thank God. And I still have back pain, so it's been kind of hard to be able to shoot and do things, but I'm working so hard to keep doing it because of you guys, because you guys really motivate me. When I had the miscarriage and when I had everything that's been going on in my life, you guys are always there to support me. So I love this community and I only do it for you guys because if it was for YouTube, I would have quit like a long time ago. Because no matter how hard I work on my channel, my videos don't even get out to my subscribers. And I'm only doing this for you guys because I really appreciate you and I love helping people. It makes me so happy when I get comments from you guys that my beauty tips help you, that my masks are helping you. And I always make such an effort to take my time to reply to all the comments. And for a while, YouTube wasn't even giving me everybody's messages either. Like there were a bug on the comment for a while that I didn't get anybody's comments. So if I don't reply to a comment right away, please be patient, I will. It's really frustrating to me because I'm not a full-time YouTuber. I have work, I have other things I do. So whenever I do a video, it does take a lot of my time to create, to edit, and I love doing it. And it's just really frustrating that the videos are not getting to you guys. So it makes me really sad that this has been happening, not just to me, but to many creators. But because I want to reach you guys, and if you guys want to keep seeing me, if you can, whenever you watch my videos, to even just hit the like button. If you don't want to give a comment, just hit the like button, because that tells YouTube that my video is relevant, my channel is relevant, so they will tell my subscribers I have a new video. Because when I don't get many likes or comments, basically what YouTube does is kills the video. Doesn't show the video to anybody else on the whole YouTube channel, so then the video basically dies. And if you don't come and watch my channel as often, YouTube will unsubscribe you to my channel. So you guys can see how hard it's been to be a YouTuber right now. It's really, really hard. So I'm also branching out to Instagram. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. I'm also creating my own blog. So I will let you know when the blog is live, and I'll be posting like articles on my blog, videos, you know, and I'll also have a way for you guys to comment, to be able to interact with me. I'm going to be doing more live streamings. I'm going to be doing everything I can to keep my channel alive. So sorry for the rant. I'm going to get to my June favorites, and please don't forget to watch my live stream this Sunday. I also have a poll on the community tab. I'm actually using more my community tab now. So if you guys haven't seen it, please click my community tab. So if YouTube doesn't notify you, click my community tab and then we'll let you know what my latest video was in case you didn't get notifications. Also my community tab, I want to do more polls, get to know your opinions, and I also want to say thank you so much for all of you that comment and like my videos and share my videos. and give me the most amazing motivation, because if it wasn't for you guys, I would have quit YouTube a long time ago. So I really appreciate you, and I'm going to be doing more giveaways to show you that appreciation for you guys as well. So thank you so much for 45,000 subscribers, and I can't wait to talk to you guys on Sunday. So make sure to comment on the poll what time that works for you, and make sure to tune in on my channel every Sunday evening. I will be doing live streams. So if you don't get notified, know that every Sunday I have live streams, so you can talk to me, suggest new videos, and we can start a conversation, and we can continue to grow this community together. Thank you so much for listening, if you listened this far. And now let's get to my June favorites. I'm gonna start with DIYs. And one of the amazing DIYs that I'm in love the month of June was the ACAI face mask. If you haven't had a chance to see the video, I'll make sure to put a link below. And it's so natural that you can actually eat it, and it makes your skin super soft. And I shown the video the before and after, so you can see how instantly your face is brighter and softer. I'm so in love with castor oil this month of June because it really helped my eyelashes. It saved my eyelashes. If you guys can take a look right now. I'm not wearing any falsies, I'm just having mascara, and this makes my eyelashes look like I have false eyelashes. And all I did was put castor oil on my eyelashes all the month of June, and it really helped with the growth. Because I don't know if I told you guys, but I messed up my eyelashes trying an eyelash growth serum, and this eyelash serum worked amazing in the beginning, made my eyelashes grow a lot, and then I stopped using for a few days, and my eyelashes fell like so bad. Whenever I was putting my mascara, it would literally just take all of them off. It was insane. And I will talk about the serum, and I think I have it somewhere. I don't think I threw it away, but I'm going to talk about the eyelash serum that ruined my eyelashes on this video that'll be coming up, talking about products that did not work for me. But I had bold spots in here and bold spots in here, and nothing I did before, like I tried taking biotin, nothing I did before made it grow. I will definitely make a full-length video showing my before and after from using castor oil on my eyelashes, and you can buy any castor oil, make sure it's cold press, and I got this like at a supermarket somewhere. So castor oil is great for hair growth, and especially for your eyelashes. Since we're on the topic of eyelashes, my next favorite is an eyelash curler from KEVYN. It's called the Eyelash Curler. This was sent to me for review by KEVYN, but as you guys know, the reviews are always my own, and I used it so much in the month of June. I'm actually using it today. As you guys can see, my eyelashes look nice and curled. And I love it, guys. If you have a hard time finding an eyelash curler that goes all the way to the corners, that give you a nice curl that lasts, check this out, because I've used other eyelash curlers before, more expensive ones, because this one is not too expensive, it's $21. And a lot of the other ones did not work for me. Like it did not, either didn't get the whole corner of my eyelash, or the curl didn't last, because with this one, the curl lasts all day long and to the next day. I've used this before without mascara, and my curls were still there to the next day. Like I went to bed and woke up with nice curled eyelashes. And other eyelash curlers, the curl will be gone by then. They have it at Sephora, and I think they have it at other department stores, but I will leave the link on the description box below if you want to check it out. My eyelashes are super straight, so if I don't curl my eyelashes, there's no mascara in the world that actually helps me, so definitely check this out. Now let's talk about nails. This is a Kale polish from Kathleen Lights, which is one of my favorite YouTubers, and I'm so happy for her to have created a line that is amazing. It's also 12 free, which is free of a lot of chemicals, and it's so interesting because when I was pregnant, I also stopped using nail polish altogether because I found out that a lot of nail polishes have a lot of chemicals, and now I'm happy that I found this because even when I get pregnant, I can still use it, and kids can use it, so I love that it's 12 free. This is from the new summer collection 2018. This color is Mojito, but the whole collection is awesome. I have the whole summer collection, and I'm going to be doing more videos about Kale polish because it is an amazing brand, and I definitely been using not just in the month of June, but since I found Kale polish, I have not been wearing anything else. Not sponsored, but no joke at all. And I actually start having a little collection of my own there in the back. That's all Kale polish, and this has been my holy grail for the month of June, and that's what I actually have today as well. There is some chipping, of course, but it's like almost 2 weeks, so I feel like, and it's not gel, so I feel like for a nail polish that is not gel to last this long for almost 2 weeks with some chipping but nothing crazy, it's pretty remarkable. And no matter if I clean the house, if I do the dishes, it still works. It lasts almost like gels. And by the way, I'm not wearing any top coat either. Oh, look at the shine. So if you're looking for a good nail polish, look no further. And also what I love about it too is that it has this amazing brush. I don't know if you guys can see. That makes it so easy for you to paint your nails. Like, I was the type of person that always went to get my nails done in a hair salon because I cannot paint my nails to save my life. But now I've been painting my nails because this brush helps to coat the whole nail so easily that my left hand is basically useless, but I can paint my nails by myself. So awesome, definitely highly recommended. Not because she's a YouTuber, but because it's an amazing brand. And I love to support YouTubers as well because she's one of my favorite YouTubers, but I wouldn't say if I liked it if it was an amazing polish. So definitely, if you haven't checked out KO Polish, for sure check it out. Not sponsor, I just really, really love this nail polish. And and that's another thing. Whenever I go, people actually stop me and ask me what I'm wearing on my nails. And that never happened before with gels or other polishes. So I feel like the color selection that they choose are so, so original. And I'm in love. I definitely would, highly suggest to check it out. And I will do probably a dedicated video about KO Polish in the future, but now for sure is all my June favorites. So check it out. Now let's talk about skincare. And this is probably not a surprise if you have seen my review on it, but this have definitely been on my June favorites. This is the SULWHASOO First Care Activating Serum. And I have a whole video with a full review of this product that I'll leave in the description box below. It's very light on the skin, makes the skin super bouncy, and it's amazing. It definitely gives you the glass skincare effect. So this has been my favorite for sure. The only thing I don't like about this product is the price, but it definitely gives results. So I feel like if something is expensive but give you good results, then it's worth it. I'm also on the lookout for DIY dupes. I'm testing a couple recipes right now to see if I can find a dupe for this for everybody else that don't want to spend this much money on skincare. I totally get it. I also have a lot of DIYs that does give amazing results, so you don't need this in your life. So please don't rush to go buy it because you don't really need it. I have it, I'm enjoying, I'm continuing using. But if you do have in the budget and you want to try a product that give you amazing results, this is really good and definitely has been on my June favorites. The next product that has been my favorite is the Age Freeze Gel Mask from Double Dare. And this mask is so good, guys. And I definitely see amazing results with one use. And I have a whole video talking about it and I'll leave in the description box below if you want to check it out. But it definitely has been a favorite and I will continue using as well. Especially if you have an event and you want to do and your face look tired and you want like a lift and brightening, definitely check this out. And I have a whole video with before and afters that live in the description box below so you can check it out. But it has been my favorite. Now let's talk about makeup. And I have two more products to talk about, and these are amazing. Super different. One is drugstore. This is the Color Rich Shine by Loreal, and it's the color is Glossy Fawn. This is what I'm wearing today, and this is what I've been wearing all month of June. No joke. I think every single video I posted in June, and every time I went out, I've been using this. For two reasons. One is because it's super hydrating. Has almost like a vanilla scent. It's like a mixture of a gloss and a lipstick. It's drugstore, so super affordable. And I love it. And I feel like it has really helped me moisturize in my lips and I have amazing colors. I actually have other colors, but this one in particular, the color Glossy Fawn, has been my favorite in the month of June. So definitely check it out. You can find it on any drugstore. The last one is from DIOR. This is the DIOR Backstage Eye Palette, and the color is Cool Neutrals. This palette, I was actually so excited about it, and I got it as soon as it came out, and I've been wearing it ever since. I've actually wearing this on my DIY ACAI face mask, if you want to see the whole look. But it's one of my favorite makeup looks I've ever done. And it comes with a primer, and it's all cool tones, but all the colors, even though I might have similar colors in other palettes, they're so unique. Like, they blend amazing, and they look super, like, buttery. I love this palette, has been my favorite, but I definitely have to warn you that the shimmers do have a little bit of fallout. So when you do the shimmers, just be careful with the shimmers, because they have a little bit of fallout, but the mattes are unbelievable. I think these are the best mattes I've ever tried before, and everything works so amazing. Like I was able to get many looks with this palette. They actually have a warm tone as well, but I bought the cool tone because I have so many warm tone palettes, and I'm so happy I did because I feel like the warm tone, I have a lot of those colors already, but this one, it was very unique for me, and I love it. So definitely a June favorite. So this is it, guys. This is all the things I've been loving in the month of June. Make sure to comment what have been your favorite things this summer, not just the month of June. I love hearing from you guys, and I always take your suggestions. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to tune in for my live stream this Sunday, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.